Hi, sweeties. Today we are going to compare the new Ninja Foodi Deluxe versus the Instant Pot Duo Crisp. We are going to cook 2 chickens, roast them in there using the combination air fryer pressure cooker functions. Please subscribe and let's get into it. So what are the differences between these 2 machines? Let's take a look. The Ninja Foodi has other functions like steam, slow cook. You can make yogurt, sear, saute, broil, dehydrate. The Instant Pot can do many of those things. It does not make yogurt, but it does have a sous vide function. For more information, take a look at this video right up here. Let's take a look inside. You can see that Ninja Foodi Deluxe has an attached air fry lid, while the Instant Pot has an air fry lid that you take completely off. They both have an air crisp basket with non-stick coating. The Ninja Foodi has a cooking pot that is non-stick. It's made of aluminum, while the Instant Pot has a stainless steel cooking pot. I add 2 cups of water to the bottom of each cooking pot before we get started. We've got a couple of large chickens. They're about 6.8 pounds. We're going to season them up with my seasoned salt blend. I'll put the link to that in the description box. This is the recipe in the Ninja Foodi Deluxe cookbook, and we're going to loosely follow that. We've got our chickens well seasoned. You can see the difference in the cooking baskets of each one. The Ninja Foodi's cooking basket is wider, so we can set the chicken down almost flat in there. The basket for the Instant Pot Deluxe is taller and narrower. For the Ninja Foodi Deluxe, we set it to pressure cook on high, and then we're going to press time and use the knob to set it to 40 minutes. And then you press that knob and get it started. For the Instant Pot Duo Crisp, we'll press the pressure button, and it already defaults to high. And we'll set this timer, we're using that plus button, to 40 minutes and press on. Both machines are counting down now. The Instant Pot came to pressure about 3 minutes faster than the Ninja Foodi Deluxe. We are done pressure cooking, so we're going to do a quick release first on the Instant Pot Duo Crisp and next on that Ninja Foodi Deluxe. Let's get the lids off of these bad boys and see what we got going on. Make sure you have some protective mitts on, like these silicone gloves, because these are hot. Then we're going to carefully remove the air crisp baskets out of the units, and then we're going to pour out the water. The recipe doesn't say that, but a lot of people believe that the chickens will crisp up better under the air crisp lid if you pour out the water. I think it works out to about the same, but we're going to see. Now let's see what those chickens look like. First, the one from the Instant Pot after it's been pressure cooked, and the one from the Ninja Foodi Deluxe. Now they're both cooked, but they're still pale, so we got to get them under those crisping lids. And you can see how much liquid came out of those chickens. And you can use that to cook some pasta, some rice. Yeah, you don't have to just toss it out. You can cook with that liquid. We've got those chickens back inside the pressure cooker air fryers, and we're going to spray them each with a little oil spray. This is an olive oil spray. Close those lids down and put the lid onto the Instant Pot Duo Crisp, and we'll crisp them up. So for the Ninja Foodi Deluxe, we'll use the knob to set it to air crisp, and then we will press the temperature button, set the temperature, and then the time button. We'll set the time to 15 minutes at 400 degrees, and then press the knob to start it. With the Instant Pot Duo Crisp, we're going to hit that air fry button. It's already defaulted to 400 degrees, but you could adjust the temperature with the plus minus where it says temp, and then you adjust the time and press start. Well, we're done. Look at that. First, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp looks good, and then that Ninja Foodi Deluxe looks good as well. Both of them turned out nice and crispy. I'm going to fill those cooking pots and crisping baskets full of soapy water while we carve up this chicken. Let's see what we got here. I let these rest for about 10 minutes before carving into them, so they're still nice and hot, but it lets the juices kind of settle down so they don't run, the juices don't run out on my cutting board. And you can see how moist and juicy that chicken breast is. Nice. And that's the one that was cooked in the Ninja Foodi Deluxe. Let's take a look at the one cooked in the Instant Pot Duo Crisp. Nice and moist as well. I'm happy with the way both of these turned out. I do prefer using the Ninja Foodi Deluxe because it has that attached air crisp lid. It makes it easier to open and close during cooking, and I like that it has that wider cooking pot as well. Let's take a look at the meat in the thigh. First at the one in the Ninja Foodi Crisp and then at the Instant Pot Deluxe. They're well cooked and juicy. Now let's wash them up. I like to use my OXO Palm scrub brush and give them both a scrub in some of that hot soapy water. This Palm scrub brush really does a great job of cleaning without scratching the interiors of any of your pans. I'll put the link to it in the description box. And they have a nonstick, both have a nonstick coating on the cooking air crisp basket, which makes it easy to clean up. You just take off that bottom piece to get underneath and scrub it around. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe comes with an aluminum cooking pot that has a non-stick ceramic coating, so cleanup is super easy. Now moving on to the Instant Pots cooking pot and air crisp basket. The air crisp basket is very similar, so you can take the bottom off just like the Ninja Foodi and just scrub it. And it gets pretty clean because it is aluminum with a nonstick coating. Now the cooking pot is stainless steel. I sped things up just a little bit because it took a little time to scrub it out. You know, it just doesn't clean as easily. So I really do prefer the nonstick coating on that Ninja Foodi. I scrubbed it and rinsed it, and honestly, I just wasn't happy with how clean it was, so I went back and scrubbed it and rinsed it again, and it just never came super clean. So this is the Ninja Foodi's cooking pot after cleaning and the Instant Pot's cooking pot after cleaning. So I have to go back over it one more time. Once the air fry lids are cool, you just wipe them down. Both the Ninja Foodi and the Instant Pot air fry lid are pretty similar. Wipe them down between cooking to try to keep the oil from building up. Then wipe down the outsides and you are good to go. Both of these units do a fine job of cooking. I still prefer the Ninja Foodi for its nonstick interior and wider cooking surface. For more videos, just click right over there and please click on my face to subscribe. Have a delicious day.